Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing well. So today I'm going to be trying this Christmas Modelones gel mini salon, and a few videos ago I did actually do a review on their original regular mini salon. So this one is similar to that one, except it is a Christmas version, so it has Christmas packaging and some Christmas gel polish colors. So I'm just going to unbox everything and show you everything that comes in the kit, and then we will get straight into doing the nails. So I am going to be using this kit to do my nails today. I am also doing Gel X nails, so I will just show you everything that comes in here first. So we have the instruction manuals, of course. And this is a sticker sheet with little Christmassy stickers on it. So there's like some stars, snowflakes, bows, there's a Christmas tree, and I'm actually going to be using these stickers for part of my nail art today. So I just think these stickers are so cute, and I love that they're gold. So you do get a base and a top coat in this kit. So this silver container is the base coat, and then that rose gold container is the top coat. And you also get 4 different gel polish colors. So there's a dark green, which is one of the colors I'm going to be using today. There's a red, there's a metallic-y gold, which is a cat eye, and I'm also going to be using that one later in this video. And then there's also a brown gel polish. So those are all super pretty colors. Definitely it reminds me of Christmas. Let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite color. And these are all 7 milliliter glass bottles, just in case you were wondering. So those are all the gel polishes you get in this kit. You also get some nail polish removing wipes, which I feel like they're not really good enough to actually remove gel polish, but you could use them to like prep your nails before applying the gel polish, or you could also use them if you like make a mistake before curing the gel polish. You could use them for that. And then you also get some tools in here. So first we have this magnet. Like I said, that gold gel polish is a cat eye, so I think it's really nice. It does come with a magnet. There's a cuticle tool, and then this cuticle pusher. It has some glitter in it. I think those are so cute. And a 100/180 grit nail file, and I really like how one side is red and one side is green, just to keep with the Christmas theme. And I wasn't really sure what this was for, but this is a Modelones ribbon, so you could probably use it like as a decoration or something like that. I also thought maybe they included the ribbon in here. If you're getting this for someone as a Christmas gift, maybe you could use this as a little wrapping paper decoration or something like that. But anyways, next item in the kit is this mini nail lamp, and I like that the nail lamp is even Christmas themed. I wasn't expecting that. It is red with like some snowflakes on it. It's so cute. So here's the little USB plug-in for the nail lamp. And it does fold up, so it's really great for like traveling. This wouldn't be my go-to nail lamp because there are a few things I don't really like about it, but it definitely works well enough, and I am going to be using it for today's video. The main reason this wouldn't be my go-to nail lamp is because I usually have to cure my thumbnail and my other nails separately, just because it is so small. And then also it does not sense your hand when you put it into the lamp. Unlike some other nail lamps, you can put it into the lamp and it will like turn on by itself, but this one does not do that. But other than that, it's definitely a good nail lamp. It does get the job done. So that is all that comes in the Christmas Gel Mini Salon from Modelones. So I am going to start with this nail set now. I'm using the Betty Cora Medium Almond full cover nail tips, and I am just taking out all the full cover nail tips that fit my natural nails the best, and I also will be filing them a little bit to make sure they fit on that nail perfectly. I won't be going into too much detail with the nail prep and application because I feel like I do usually go into a lot of detail with my other Gel X videos. So if you would like to see a more detailed Gel X prep and application, I will link one of those videos in the description box. I will still go through all the steps and everything, but just not as in detail. So anyways, I am now doing my nail prep for my natural nails. So I'm using this cuticle pusher and just pushing back all my cuticles. And then I'm also going to be using my buffing block and buffing all of my nails. And I actually happen to have the Modelones dehydrator and primer, so I am going to be using that. It's not a completely necessary step, but I do have these, so I might as well use them. They do help a little bit with the longevity of Gel X nails. Like I said, you could also use like the nail polish removing wipes that were provided in the kit as a dehydrator. Now that my natural nails are all prepped and my full cover nail tips are sized out, I am ready to apply them to my natural nails now. So I'm just taking some Betty Cora gel nail glue and applying that to the fake nail, and then I will just apply the full cover nail tips to my natural nails using this mini nail lamp. It makes it way easier for applying Gel X nails, and I'm going to be repeating all of those steps for the rest of my nails. After all of the full cover nail tips are applied, I'm going to fully cure them in a larger nail lamp just to make sure they're completely cured. I'm also going to be taking the nail file and filing the tips of my nails just to round out the tips a little bit since they are kind of pointy. And then I'm going to be painting all of the nails with this dark green gel polish. And I think I actually only did one coat since this is a dark color. I only needed to do one coat. And then I'm also going to be applying some cat eye gel polish, the gold cat eye gel polish that was in the kit. So I will be applying that to all of my nails as well, and using the magnet to move around the magnetic gel polish. This is only like my third time I think using cat eye gel polish, so I don't really know exactly what I'm doing, but I kind of just moved it around until it looked decent. So I'm going to do that for the rest of my nails, and I'm curing in between each of them just to make sure the magnetic gel polish stays where I want it to be. For the rest of the nail art, I'm going to be using this Christmas sticker sheet that was provided in the Gel Mini Salon kit, and I'm just going to put a different sticker on each of my nails, and then that's pretty much it for the nail art. I'm using tweezers to get the stickers off and apply them. It makes it a lot easier. So for the thumbnail, we have kind of an abstract design with a rhinestone, and then the index nail, we have a candy cane, and then the middle is a Christmas tree, and then we have a bow for the ring fingernail, and then lastly I applied a star sticker and a snowflake sticker to the pinky nail. To finish up this nail set, I'm just going to use the Modelones gel top coat, and I'm applying that over all of my nails. It will also make sure the stickers stay where they are. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. I really love how these nails turned out. I love the color combination with the gold and dark green. And here I'm just applying some cuticle oil. Also, you might have noticed that this video is a lot shorter than my other ones. I just wanted to kind of try something new, see if you guys like the longer videos or the shorter videos. Let me know in the comments. But thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!